Back on another video, and we're going to be playing card battle royale with my friend Liam.
Hello guys.
So we're going to be doing the plane and helicopter challenge only, the jet and helicopter challenge only, and it's going to be a little bit hard, but at the end, so when there's one person left, then we're going to have to crash land our helicopter and jet, and then we're going to kill the last person. So let's see how it goes. We're going to be watching this video. So
And no weapons, guys.
Yeah.
We have to
No
kill the
weapons.
last person with our pickaxe.
Yeah, with our knife.
Yeah, with our knife.
So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so I'm in the game.
Comment down
yeah.
below if you like my skin, guys.
Yeah, comment down below if you like our skins. Look at this. Look at Liam. But it should be so long to get this skin. I don't know why. No, not that long, but like, I don't know.
It took us 1 day to get that skin.
Yeah.
You know, rock the same skin.
Oh yeah, sure. Did we get the yeah, we got the skins yesterday. I'm really looking forward to getting this one though. This one. This kind here. But we have to log in for 7 days. That's pretty easy. Ooh. Okay. So we're in the game right now. So we're gonna have to, let me mark where I'm gonna land. Where's the plane?
It'll show you when you're in battle royale.
Okay. But do you know where I must mark?
Yeah.
Yeah, where?
Here.
Did you mark it?
Yeah.
Welcome
okay.
to Battle Royale.
So where's the helicopter?
I marked the helicopter.
Time for the mission. Get ready.
There's more other places, but you can go other places.
Okay.
My friend, okay, at least mine has like I can shoot with it. And then you can just crash it.
Yeah.
Bro, I hope other people can just with that too.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Please
Starting.
wish us luck. We're going to win this game for y'all, guys.
Yeah. Okay, so where'd you mark it? Where is it? Did I mark it? Like, is it the blue marker?
Yeah, the blue marker is.
So did I mark it? Like the place? Is it the correct place where I marked?
It's over. It's over. No, that's the.
Where's it? Okay. I should probably jump.
Did you mark?
Yeah.
We can land here.
Yeah. So I'm gonna jump now.
Oh, this jet is really fun. I should have learned how to use.
No, it's okay. You can just do this. Like put your screen more up, then it'll glide low.
Okay, guys.
Well, this thing is
guys,
really
I'm gonna
far
have to run.
This thing is really far from me.
I'm gonna have to run.
I'm gonna get this truck and I mean this bike here, I guess. It's better than the truck. I'm gonna get this bike.
I need to run, and I can't get it.
Oh, it's not a bike, it's a car. I'll just take it.
Damn, zone is so far. We need to do this quickly.
Yeah, so we can fly back to you. Bro, remember we're not allowed to
Can you
use...
come pick me up so I can also...
Oh gosh, Liam, I can't go. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Just find the car. Sorry, I couldn't come. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Okay, let me take that. Okay. I'm going.
Yo, where's
Yours.
Oh.
You'll never watch. If you haven't watched my other video yet, you should go watch it. It's a Minecraft video where I got pranked by Herobrine. We pranked by it. That doesn't make sense. The Herobrine literally came for me. So
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
you should watch that one. There's a beautiful helicopter. Liam, I'll come and pick you up and then I'll take you there.
Okay.
I'm gone. Someone was there. I do not know. Go for him. Are you swimming now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here. I'm just gonna
Land on land, because you can't pick me up on water.
Chip terminal
Put the orange
Oh,
marker.
you can also shoot.
Put the orange marker. Nah, those aren't bullets.
Safe zone is
Oh gosh, people are shooting at me.
Oh no.
Oh god. Mark it again.
I marked it.
Okay, I'll check the map.
Go left. Yeah, go carry on straight.
Now my
Turn
thing is...
left. It's kind of by your area, but it's like...
Tell me when land.
Yeah, go, just go, just continue until you
Oh. Oh, I see it there. Someone might have took it.
No, they can't take it. If, you see
Okay, I see it. Okay. Wait, don't jump out yet, bro. I'm just gonna land here.
No, you don't have to land.
Okay, then land.
Don't jump out.
Airdrop is coming.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. I don't wanna crash this.
Wait, there's somebody here.
Liam, you're gonna crash into me. You crashed into me.
Wait, there's another guy here.
Okay, Liam, we have to get one gun because remember at the last.
Go help.
I'm coming.
My vehicle is about to explode.
Oh gosh, you're gonna have to jump in my car, bro.
Yeah, bro, this side is
Engaging
really
the
hard.
enemies. Enemy down.
I killed him.
With a pickaxe.
Yeah. Now I'm executing him. Let's go. Dead. Perfect. Okay, so only pickaxe. Bro, if that thing explodes. Ish, bro, I need to drop this gun.
Oh, people are shooting.
Ow.
People are shooting.
People are shooting at
I'm
me.
going down. I repeat, I'm going down.
I repeat, I'm going up.
I repeat, there's a kid out here.
I'm coming. Oh gosh, Liam.
The thing's getting out of control because it's smoking up. I exploded.
Oh, I'm coming.
knocked.
That is the worst thing ever, Liam.
I don't know what happened.
So now you have to get like one gun and you have to come in mine.
You can get this jet over here.
Okay. Damn.
This doesn't feel good. I lost control. I couldn't.
Is someone
drive.
killing you?
No.
So you just crashed.
I crashed because it was not working because the thing was smoking up because of that other guy.
The airdrop is coming.
Video, just ready.
Okay, jump in.
Kid there also.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Yeah, can you go to that thing?
Okay. Let me mark it for myself. Where is it? Oh, I see it. Oh, that's a helicopter.
Okay,
That's gonna be in storm.
I need to survive with it. I can't stay in the helicopter. It's kind of a challenge.
Yeah. So the next match, guys, I'm gonna be taking the jet and he's gonna be taking the helicopter. It's gonna be really hard because like we don't know how to control it.
Yeah, me and him don't know
How to control each other's.
Yeah.
Like he knows how to control the jet. I don't know how to control.
Yeah?
Okay, guys. My friend is just my dad. I mean, my friend's dad just called him real quick, but it's okay. Still gonna go, and I have to. Okay. First time being in storm. It's kind of weird. I guess it's the first time for everything. Okay, jump off.
Oh, I'm back, guys.
Yeah, his dad is just calling him. Bro, I feel like I'm gonna have to go for the other helicopter. This one's is damaged. I'm gonna go for the other helicopter, okay?
Okay. Then I'll just drive it.
Yeah.
The airdrop is coming.
Okay, I'm gonna drive to the other
Oh,
helicopter.
guys, I don't know if I can make it, guys.
Nope, you know what? Never mind. I'm not gonna make it though. If I'm going for the other helicopter. If I need you to pick me up, then I'll call you.
Well, I'm going to New Version City. I hate this
gosh, Liam.
Guys, I crashed again. Oh my gosh.
Jump out. You're gonna die.
Okay, guys, I just crashed. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm so bad at this game.
I'll come get you.
I thought I could kill people, but instead,
I'm coming, bro. What if I can?
Revived flight will arrive in 1
You know what? I'm good at this thing. So.
bro, helicopters are so hard to get.
For you, bro. For me, it's pretty easy.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Jeez, I'm hurt. People shooting me.
The airdrop is coming.
I'm coming.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Bro, but that means you can't help me kill people. Bro.
What?
Because remember, there's no more jets. Well, there is more, but like it's so far.
I just took
Chip
off
terminal is
my
almost ready.
I have to use my pickaxe. Okay, no, bro.
Okay, please. I'm good at this, bro. I know I can't crash. If I crash, then I'm weird. If I crash, then I'm weird.
Ah!
Are you good?
The safe zone is collapsing.
I almost died.
I'm here.
Is it fine if you use heals?
Yeah, heals are fine. No! Come, Liam.
I'd rather go in a plane.
I'm landing here. No! Okay. How did I do that, bro? I got so
You
scared.
voted that.
Is there another jet that's available? No. There's no more jets.
Too far. Unless we have to go get it.
Nah, bro, it won't work out. Sorry we
I
did
actually think we
Revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
that. Bro, but I'm... Okay, let's go. Mark it. Actually, let me mark it for myself. Oh gosh, that's pretty
Airdrop
far.
has been delivered.
You have to be brave. You might die, guys. I'm sorry if you die, guys. It's
Half the
just for a
teams are
challenge.
eliminated.
Yeah, bro, we have to.
Guys, you're mad at us. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Don't scream at us in the comments, please, bro.
Yeah, guys, we just trying to go with this challenge.
Yeah.
Like, if you guys think we go to right now, just hit that subscribe button right now.
Yeah. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get to at least 50 likes. I'm calling it, bro.
If we get 50 likes, we'll make another video. Like,
Yeah. Yo, it's hitting for... Oh, okay, it's still hitting for 1.
I think it always hits for one. We actually beat it.
Yo, shoot, I might die.
Actually, we might.
Airdrop is coming.
Yeah, GG's.
No, not GG's. We can still make it. Jump out. I need to leave, bro. I'm gonna fly back.
Just move. Don't worry about me. But it's my fault. Oh, Lord.
I found Lapis. Shoot, bro, I'm so low.
Guys, I don't think we're gonna die. I think we're gonna die, guys.
Yeah. Peace. Liam's gonna die, bro.
Guys, I found Lapis, which is a step closer.
Liam, bro, I'll win this for you. I can't come back, bro. I'm sorry.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Actually, I might die,
Revived
bro.
flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Bro, I'm gonna die.
Airdrop has
Come
been
on,
delivered.
Eden. Make it through.
If only this thing had boosts. 9, 8, 7, 6. Shoot. Come on. Oh, no! I was on 1 HP. Oh, I was so close. Ah, it's okay, guys. Let's head back to lobby. Bro, but that was so close. I almost made it.
We shouldn't have been in storm, bro.
Well, that's just a bummer, guys. Can't believe it.
It's okay, guys.
Yeah, next.
I'm sorry, guys, that we lost.
Okay, next match, I'm going to be using the jets, which is going to be really hard for me.
And I'll be using the helicopter.
Yeah. So, yeah, let's just start this one. This is the last match for this episode. And if you guys want more content like this, then subscribe. Especially more content with my friends.
Yeah, guys.
You were the jump leader. Good
Yeah,
luck.
and brother. My brother is just sitting here playing Minecraft.
Check
just
out,
hope-
check out his channel.
Yeah, check out his channel, Eli Binada.
Leave it in the comment section.
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
And it's literally sponsored, okay, guys?
yeah, it's sponsored, bro. He sponsored us. Eli Binada sponsored us.
I mean, it doesn't do anything for your channel because I don't have money to do it.
You can give me a follow.
Not sponsoring you for fun.
Defense. Back.
I'm gonna jump now. Battle royale.
Sorry, guys, I was just bored.
Okay, we're jumping. I'm gonna really quickly, as fast as I can, mark this thing. Where's the jet?
It's right here. It's literally right there.
Here's the jet, right?
No, it's right.
Jump, just jump. Okay. Where is it?
No, I'm following you.
Then cancel follow.
So that's it. I don't know.
We can land here.
Do I mark where you land? Do I go where you land? Is it by the military base? But I don't know what. I don't know where to land.
I'm trying to go to the helicopter, but I can't. Okay, how about this? How about both of us?
Okay.
Because I can't make it to the
First blood.
Bro, I don't know where I can find a jet now. Where's the jet? Here's a jet here, bro. Liam, bro, there's a jet here. I was gonna land there.
Yeah, that's what I said. Go there.
No. You said no. And then you marked.
Hey!
What do we there?
I'm kidding.
Sorry guys, my friend was just saying yay for nothing.
It's all my fault if you don't subscribe to him, guys. Please.
I'm not even gonna make it to this thing. How far is it?
You know what? I'll just go for the helicopter because it's part of the challenge. Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Pickaxe.
Shoot.
Revived flight will arrive.
Use your knife.
Engaging the enemies.
I'm gonna die.
Enemy down.
Oh. That was so close. Almost just died. But I somehow killed him. I don't know how I killed this guy. Okay, I got a truck, so I'm gonna drive it to the thing. To the jet. I've never used a jet before, so it's gonna be a little bit hard for me. But it's okay. And it's gonna be hard for Liam because he's never used the
Chip
helicopter before.
is almost ready.
So, how did I kill? I just ran someone over just now.
No, because you knocked it
A
out.
barrier? Why is it a barrier?
Sometimes it's barriers.
There's a-
If you go
Okay, I
in
see
there,
the
that's, then you can die.
Shoot, now someone's shooting at me. And I'm right here.
Okay, guys. If you guys think I'm doing nothing right now, I'm trying to get it.
Okay, guys, I got the jet. Go, fly. And I'm up in the air. Oh my gosh, why am I doing that? Jesus, that's I'm losing control in this thing. Oh my gosh.
Sorry guys, we're just talking to our parents, okay?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's go to zone.
Whoa.
Airdrop.
Oh, I got
Jeez.
the helicopter. Okay.
Okay, good. I got the plane. The jet.
Revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Oh, this helicopter is hard, gents. Guys, I'm gonna crash, I think.
Yeah. Bro, I'm gonna... Oh, where are you? Oh, I see you. I'm coming.
Bro, I might crash. How do you do this thing, bro? Guys,
Oh,
we
shoot.
used to play Fortnite, like we used to grind this game. But now we normally play Fortnite, guys.
Yeah, that's true. Bro, Liam, I'm coming.
And guys, if
I see
you
you.
comment down below if you guys want to see us play Fortnite.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and land this thing. I don't know why.
But not next week, guys, because we have like school and stuff.
I don't have school.
Okay, I have school, but you can do it anyway.
Oh my gosh, I almost crashed this. I need to go get another thing.
Wait, what?
Jet.
You saying I should pick you up?
No, I'm fine. For now, I'm fine. Let me go. So far, bro. And I have to get there like fast. Bro, can this thing shut up? It keeps going. Okay, I'm going to get the other jet now because I accidentally crashed this thing. And now it's on 24.
The airdrop is coming.
Why the heck did it make that voice?
Because
there
we're
is-
using it.
Oh yeah. I'm going for the jet. I'm just going over a helicopter right now. I'll meet you guys there when I get the jet. Guys, I accidentally crashed. So Liam's coming to fetch me. And then I'm gonna go up there with it. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're up already. Okay, you can just land. Actually, I'll just land.
Okay, guys.
We're here.
Here. Hey,
Just in time for storm.
let's go.
Ooh.
Dad, we're going for.
The airdrop is coming.
So guys, we're just flying for a little bit.
Sorry,
It
guys,
is-
about that.
Yeah.
We paused
47 people left.
because I was talking to my friend.
How do you use this thing, bro? It's so hard.
You have to hold. You hold that button. Hold that button.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Oh, I was so close to crashing.
Guys, this is going really well.
Yeah.
I mean, there's still a little bit people left, but it's fine.
It's like so much fun using the jet.
I'm going so.
But I love the helicopter.
I'm going down. I'm going down. I just landed. I don't know where I landed.
Wait, where are you?
Almost ready.
I landed in this cube thing.
I'm coming. Let's go to a zone. Okay, I'm gonna start going to zone. Yeah, I'm in zone.
I'm coming down. How should we get something that's trouble?
No. I was about to crash. Bro, I see another jet. Look. Liam.
Shoot him.
No, it's the one where people come out of. Where people jump out of.
Oh, my thing crashed. My thing crashed.
Oh my gosh, I'm coming.
The airdrop is coming.
I mean, I have a jet. Even though.
Okay, that's good. Just get the jet, I guess.
I mean, must get the helicopter. Okay.
Yeah, get the
Half
helicopter.
of the teams are
Yeah, I'll use this for that.
Yeah, use it and then get the helicopter.
Yo, bro, it's hitting by 2.
airdrop has been delivered. The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
I'm running to you.
I'm about to go in storm. Okay, I made it out. Go to zone. I repeat, go to
I
zone.
don't know if I can make it.
I see another jet. Oh, I shot a missile at it.
Sorry guys, I'm not moving it.
I'm losing control, bro. I'm losing control. Guys, I'm going down right now.
Guys, I'm about to get the helicopter.
Yeah, he's getting down the helicopter because he crashes out on. I'm just gonna get this airdrop for nothing. Oh my
We're
god.
doing really well.
Yeah.
I mean, we have 0 kills, but it's fine.
No, I got 1 kill because I pickaxed that over there.
But we did really well.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Bro, my engine stopped working. Nah, bro, my engine. Okay, it started working again.
Something does the engine do that,
I don't know. Nah, bro, it's doing it again. Oh my gosh. I'm in a garage.
I don't know, smash it. I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna delete this area for now.
Chip terminal is
Guys, I haven't seen any of them. Damn, people are getting multi-kills and stuff. Really fighting really good people.
I finally did a proper landing. Look,
the safe
I
zone is
landed
collapsing.
nicely.
Airdrop is coming.
No. Oh gosh.
Oh, there's 2 dudes riding bikes. Bro, help.
I'm coming up.
These two guys out me with cars.
I'm coming.
I know it's crazy, but everyone is
The
riding.
last revived flight will
You
arrive
see
in
like
1
a
minute.
steering wheel over there.
I saw him. Ah, shoot. That thing is out of
He did
control.
explode his car.
I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna crash. Bro.
Wait, there's his car.
I'm good. Oh god.
That's so bad at aiming.
My engine stopped working.
Down to the last 5.
Okay, it's working. It's working. Oh.
Bro, this guy's not
I almost hit the ground. Can his engine stop it?
Help.
Coming. Nah, bro, my thing's smoking. I'm coming down.
I'm in storm. And this guy is really good with this car.
Oh my gosh. It's because my thing's smoking. The engine keeps stopping.
Bro, man, these guys are shooting at me.
I see someone.
Bro, there's one dude in the car.
Oh.
He still has a
Woo! I crashed. I died.
forever.
Yeah.
How?
Start get my dog tag quickly.
I I can't. You did favor.
Oh,
Okay, you did for me.
well, that's kind of sad, bro.
I'm sorry.
Not okay.
I'll avenge you.
My thing.
I think I should just end my hardcore.
How did you die?
So the thing went out of control, and then the engine stopped working. So I went flying downwards, and then I crashed. I was thinking about jumping out, but then I was like, what if I can go back up again? And then I left it. Then I crashed. So guys, because there's 5 people left, Liam can't stay in the helicopter forever. So he's gonna go get that drop box, and then he's gonna try and kill the last 5 people with the guns.
Because guys, I'm sorry because
He can't-
firstly I lost Aiden, and now I have to kill so many people.
And the helicopter doesn't have bullets or guns or weapons.
What? What? How did I die?
You got sniped.
Sorry guys.
Okay guys, that's gonna do it for this video. We're really sorry we never win a match this video, but it's okay.
Guys, we might play later, guys.
Yeah. So we'll see you in the next one. Peace.